Today's the day. I'm going to Dallas today. I'm so excited. Let's get it. Ma'am, can you please take out your passport? Please? And your luggage? Sure. Let me take my passport and my suitcase. Dude. Alright, your suitcase going to Dallas. Have a safe flight. Alright, your suitcase going to Dallas. Have a safe flight. Let's go. I got my ticket and we're going to Dallas. I wonder what should I get. Let me get some snacks like some food and yummy stuff like M&Ms. You know what? Let's just start walking and go. And don't we need to? Nah, I don't really need to use the bathroom. So, let's go to my terminal. Alright, C12, we are here. Let's just wait. That was a false call, guys. Let's wait for my turn. Man, that's taking so long. Let me just use my iPad. Uses my iPad. What? I wonder what the pilots do. It's taking so long. Hurry up. We're supposed to be boarding by now. Hurry up, pilot. Please. You're wasting my time. Dun 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 dun. Gate C12 ready for boarding. All passengers must go to C12 for Dallas, Texas. Do you have your boarding pass? Yes, I do. Here, look at it. Ching! You're ready to go, man. Thanks. Let's see. My seat is 6-7. No, not 6-7. B7. All right. Come on, let me sit. Is this my real seat? Let me check. Yeah, no, this is not my seat. It's supposed to be right here. Yeah, but that's not my real seat. I just didn't see the numbers, right? Well, let's see. If it's the correct seat, then we can go. No, it's not. It's not the correct seat. Come on, come on. Pilot, please do not start. Yeah, that's my seat. Wait, no, that's not my seat. I'm serious. I'm so sorry, guys. No, I'm so sorry, but this is not my real seat. Right? No! Pilot, please do not start the airplane. Aha! Here's my seat. I wonder how long this flight will take.
Welcome aboard, all passengers. Thank you for flying Cathay Air. My name is Zuhair Yusuf, and I'm gonna be your captain for today.
Welcome aboard. We have a few safety demonstrations to share with you before departure. First and foremost, you must buckle your seatbelt. Insert the metal tab into the buckle and pull the strap to tighten. Make sure your seatbelts are fastened whenever you are seated. Prior to takeoff, make sure your seat is up and your electronics are put away. U.S. law prohibits any use of smoking, including electronic cigarettes. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying smoke detectors may result in a fine. U.S. law requires all to comply with lighted and posted signs and crew member instructions. Now we will review your safety card. All exits on this aircraft are clearly marked. Take a moment to locate the nearest one. Keep in mind it may be behind you. All exits have evacuation slides to use in an emergency. When directed to exit, jump onto the slide and move away from the aircraft. This aircraft is equipped with escape path lighting on or near the floor. A sign will indicate that you've reached your exit. In an evacuation, leave everything behind and locate the nearest exit. If the plane loses pressure, oxygen mask will drop automatically. While remaining seated, with your seatbelt fastened, pull down on the mask to extend tubing. The yellow cup goes over your mouth, while the brand stretches behind the back of your head. Normal breathing will start the flow of oxygen, and remember, help yourself before helping others. Life vests are located either under or near your seat. To remove the vest, pull the tab compartment handle to break the seal. For help locating them, please look at your safety card. Put the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, attach the buckle, and pull tight. Once outside, pull the tab to inflate the vest, or blow into the tube on the side. In the water, a light on your vest will illuminate. The crew will now run a final cabin check. After takeoff, we will be back with more information, and if you need anything, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you for flying Luxury Pacific.
Okay, I already watched the safety video. Now, it's almost time to take off, and I'm really excited. Hope there's not going to be anything bad, such as crashes. Let's look outside and see the takeoff. Yay! Well, takeoff is almost going to be here, which is right now. Yay! Right? Right? Yes! I was correct. Alright, we're taking a takeoff.
Get ready for takeoff.
Let's fly! Wait, what? Are we flying? Are we? Well, this looks like Turkish Airlines Blue. And I've never been here, so I wonder what's it going to be like. I'm so happy to go back home after a long vacation. So, we're going back to Dallas. My house. Yeah! But really, I'm just excited we're on a plane. And, I don't see anyone. Well, let's just say everyone's here. But I'm in first class or economy or business. So, I'm So I'm really excited to go home. I hope it's not a severe crash landing. Well, for 5 minutes away, I don't have to use my phone or iPad or all my devices because we're just 5 minutes away. Well, we're about to take landing. See you in the taxi. But I'm not going to end this because you're going to see what's going to happen next. 5 minutes later. Okay, we're here. We're landing any second now. Oh, we just did. I'm glad we came home safely. So, I'm going to be at my house. Well, I'm going to go to the hotel, then I'm going to go to my house. But I'm not going to show you my house. So, I'll see you in the taxi. But I'm not going to turn this off. I'm going to not do the 5 minutes later. I'm just going to leave the screen on.
This is your captain speaking. Welcome to Dallas, Texas. The time is 4:30, and if this is your home, welcome home.
taxi driver is the pilot. Yeah, he's on break time for about 3 to 4 hours today, so he's going to be taking me to my house, or AKA apartment.
Hi.
Hey, here's my address. Boing.
Okay, let me go to it.
So, how was it while driving the airplane?
Very not good.
Why?
Because I almost crashed.
How? It was good.
Yeah, but still, I want butter.
Butter? What does that even mean?
Butter landing.
I never knew that.
Oh, okay.
And why do you guys call it butter when it's smooth?
Because butter is smooth.
Well, okay. And, do you even know where my house is?
Yes. Your apartment.
And also, I have a question.
What?
Do you drive on grass?
Yes.
You just drove on grass. Why would you do such a thing?
There's no road.
There's no road?
Look.
I could see a road right in front of us.
Look, the road is right there.
Yeah, you said there's no road.
There was a road.
Yeah.
Okay, now the car's doing it.
The car's messing up?
Yes.
Well, where is my house? And does it take a long time? And how many minutes?
Maybe an hour to go to your apartment.
What?
Yeah, but that's the closest airport too. London Airport is the biggest airport we can land. All the airports are small. The closest airport is the smallest airport to your apartment. So we went to London, so that's why we have to drive 1 hour.
Oh my goodness. And also, do you have a family?
Yes.
With who?
Max and Jack.
Max and Jack, huh?
Yes.
Are they brothers?
Yes.
Like twins?
Yes.
How can they have the same type of name?
Max and Jack, they rhyme.
Jack's Max.
Jack is
Max and Jack.
Jack is older and Max is younger. Okay, we're almost to your hotel.
Yeah!
Like about 50 minutes left.
Apartment.
Apartment.
Yay, we're here. We're almost there.
No, 50 minutes left.
50.
50.
That's not almost there. Do not ask why I have Siri on. So, my house is a long time. It takes a long time.
Do you have a family?
Yeah, no. I'm single. I live alone and I'm single. So, and I'm really happy you're here.
Yeah.
And also, do you have friends who are pilots or co-pilots?
Yes. My friend Ahmed, he's a co-pilot, and I forgot his name. It was like something. His name was like something with an M. He helped me push back the airplane.
Oh, what about your best friend? Who's your best friend?
Ahmed, he's the co-pilot.
Like your best friend. I know he's your family because I've been knowing you, but only for a little bit of time in the airplane. But what about your best friend, not your family?
Oh, my friend? Yep, he's crazy. I don't know what is he doing. He's just chasing girls all the time.
Brother, Is he sus?
Yes. Very sus.
Oh, that's bad.
He keeps trolling me every day.
Trolling?
Yes.
Bad. And also, are we there? I don't see.
Almost 30 minutes. 30
What?
minutes.
Let's skip to the chase that we are actually 10 minutes away. I'm going to crop this and say that we're 10 minutes away. Okay, guys, we're almost here. Pilot, this is my apartment.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna drop you off there.
All right. Well, you were a good pilot to us, to me personally, but you were the best pilot ever.
Well, have a nice day with your apartment, and I hope you have a good day.
Thank you, and have a nice day yourself. Goodbye. Gets in the apartment. I was looking for a door, but there was no door. And that's it for the video. Goodbye.